happening. So as you can see in that video, I painted in the rain, and I'm surprised how some of these marks actually I thought they disappeared. I kept going over and over, but it seems like they ended up reappearing somehow. Just pretty incredible, I guess, because the sun kind of came out. I don't know. My hands are still there, but yeah, I mean, the one part that really like blows my mind is all this. I mean, the obviously the paper got a little damaged. Not too bad. Still, it's still pretty good with the border. Um, but yeah, all in all, man, I'm really satisfied with how that came out. I mean, it's incredible. Look at all that. It's like just dripping down. But yeah, hope you like. Let me get the full shot. That's what you're looking at right there.